Hi all! Since we have now completed writing our own poem, we're going to come down to here and start step 2, which is to share your poem with the world. Upload your self-reading your masterpiece to Flipgrid. Click this link, open it on up, and it'll ask you to record a response at the top of the page or the bottom. Either one you can click on and it will prompt you to join with Google or Microsoft. You want to hit Google because that'll link up to your guhsd.net account. Okay, once we're logged in, it'll show our face. Hello. And before we begin, I want to point out some of these toggles down here. So options will ask you to upload a clip that you already have recorded. You can check out those other ones, but you don't really need to use any of these options for now. The middle button will start the recording, and the effects will let you choose some filters. You can draw. I want to point out the emoji. So if you are uncomfortable being on camera and you don't want to show your face, maybe you don't feel good this day that you're recording, you can just hit emojis. I'm going to choose a smiling face and blow it up and just put it over my face here so I can stay anonymous. Right, but today I'm feeling good and I want to show my face with you, especially since I'm the teacher. So I'm going to move forward with recording, and since my poem is on this page, I'm just going to make sure I'm prepared and have everything ready to go and start from the beginning. Okay, so I'm going to click record and then toggle over to my other tab and read and finish. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hello, I'm Miss Palmer and I'm going to be reading my poem called Community. Community. I earnestly believe we are powerful beyond measure. My own eyes manifest sight the vast eternal sky. Sunrises and sunsets liberate the beauty within me. Some say that I cannot be everything I want to be, but I'd rather be standing alone or with people that believe in me. Thank you for watching. I will stop the video here. Okay, after you hit the pause button, then you can hit next. Hello, I'm Miss Palmer and I'm going to be reading. That gives you a preview of what your video looks like. And now the Flipgrid wants us to take a selfie. So again, you can go to Effects and select an emoji and hide your face if that's what you prefer. But I do not prefer that, so I'm going to go back and just take a simple picture. Cheese. Okay, I like it. I'm going to hit next. It uploads the video. And you can change your display name. I'm going to change it to Miss Palmer. I usually skip this part. You can add stuff if you want. And then the last step is to submit. Complete. And you'll see your response down here. I'm looking forward to seeing your responses. Please let me know if you have any questions. Bye.